Hey guys, this is the tutorial for this thing, and I forgot to say our YouTube channel. The green, okay, hey guys, it's the green brick, and this is like a minecart from Minecraft, and this is the tutorial for it. So I'm gonna show you the pieces and how to build it. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Here are the pieces that you're going to need. You are going to need a large pile of Lego bricks. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait, let's count this. Okay, you're going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13 2x6s. Oh, that's a lot of 2x6s. Next, you're going to, and by the way, they could be any color, but I just got gray because that's classic minecart color. And here I've got 4 2x4 bricks. I mean 3 2x4 bricks. Ugh. And you are going to need 1, 2, 3. You're going to need 8 1x4s, 1x4 bricks. You're going to need 2 2x4s that are kind of more like short. You're going to need, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8 1x4s that are shorter. You need 2 2x2s that are shorter. You're going to need 2 1x2 bricks. 1 1x8 brick. 4 1x2 bricks. Oh, I forgot this one. Okay, one more 1x4 brick. I forgot that. Sorry about that. 2 of the wheels or train track, whatever you have. I don't know really, but I would suggest the train pieces. And 1 6x8 tile, that like brick kind of thing that's shorter. Okay, let's start building.